It has been a hot and dry summer so far. I would seek unto God, and unto God would I commit my cause, which doeth great things and unsearchable, marvelous things without number, who giveth rain upon the earth, and sendeth waters upon the fields, to set up on high those that be low, that those which mourn may be exalted to safety. It has been over 100 degrees. We water the garden daily, but the new plants still seem dry. After the rain, the plants revived. God's word is like the rain. It can give strength to the weary. Call upon Him while there is still time. He's waiting for you. God cares about you. He loves you.